Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to PattyKakes Kitchen. First, I'm gonna go ahead and add my warm buttermilk, my yeast, and my sugar. Get that mixed and set it to the side for about 5 minutes until it blooms. It's been 5 minutes and my yeast has bloomed. I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing the rest of my ingredients. I'm gonna add my sugar. My butter. My salt. And my eggs. Let that mix on medium until my eggs are well combined. Now that my eggs are well combined, I'll start adding my flour a little bit at a time. After about 5 minutes of kneading and your dough pulls away from your bowl, take your dough. You can just put it in a little ball or whatever. You could use olive oil or you can use some spray. And just spray your bowl and put it in your bowl, and you want to cover it for about 2 hours. While my dough is still proofing, I'll make my filling. My butter, my cinnamon. I had to get a fork. A fork is mixing it better. So just get the cinnamon and the sugar and the butter all mixed. It's been 2 hours. My dough has risen. I'm just gonna lightly punch the air out of it. Put a little flour on my surface. And roll it out. Now that I have my dough all rolled out, I'm going to take my filling and I'm going to spread it all over my dough. Now that my filling is spread all over my dough, now I'm going to roll my dough. Just roll it. Just roll it. I have a pan lined with parchment paper. You can cut these as big or as small as you would like. So I'm cutting them and I'm panning them out. So I have them all sliced and panned. You want to cover them and let them proof for another 2 hours. It's been 2 hours. My rolls has risen. I'm going to put them in the oven on 375 for 20 minutes. For baking, I'm going to make my icing for the top. I'm going to use half block of cream cheese, confection sugar, and heavy whipping cream. Get that all mixed. And your cream cheese should be room temperature. Add in a little vanilla flavor. I wish you could smell them baking right now. And my rolls are out of the oven. I'm gonna let them cool for about 10 minutes before I ice them. And they've cooled for about 10 minutes. And now I'm just gonna spread on a little icing. Once you get the icing on, you can store them room temperature for up to 2 days, or you can refrigerate them and you can keep them for up to 5 days. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a Patty Cakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.